Hi, my name is Alex Ojeda, and I am a senior here at Oregon State after having transferred from Santa Barbara City College. I'm currently pursuing a degree in electrical engineering with a minor in computer science. One of my favorite things to do in the professional environment would be creating graphical user interfaces and processing data. I've done this mainly through MATLAB in the past, and I'm now learning more about operating systems and embedded systems, which should be very helpful for our flight data collection unit later on in this course. As for my personal interests, I have been part of the volleyball club here at Oregon State for 3 years, and I am now the president of the volleyball club. I also enjoy skiing, which I've done ever since an early age with family, and try to keep that up through the years here. Another big part of my life has always been music, which I've started since elementary school, and now I play piano, guitar, and trombone, which I still keep up to this day. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Anthony, and I'm a senior in electrical and computer engineering and also minoring in computer science. I have a background in both hardware and software, and I have a lot of interest in many different fields. But specifically, I like VLSI and digital logic design because it's always very amazing that you can turn Verilog code into some super high-speed tiny piece of silicon. And I'm very excited to work on the PCIe interface for our project, which gonna be very fun. And I also like the Internet of Things and cloud engineering, which has always been what I'm good at. If you look at all my school projects, you will see they usually involve some node-based cloud application, and some examples will be facial recognition and synthetic speech. And in my free time, I'll just be fooling around and making some more node application. Haha. Feel free to check out my GitHub.
Hi, my name is Caden and I'm a senior at Oregon State University with a major in electrical and computer engineering and a minor in computer science. I would say so far I found my biggest interest to be definitely the microcontrollers. I think that coding them and building small simple circuits to go with them is really fun. I really like being given a problem and just being told to figure out how to do it with these tools. I especially like the coding aspect of it. I really love breaking problems down into simple logic and seeing how simple of a solution you can get it down to. I think that after college I'd really like to work on smaller technologies, but not like microscopic, maybe something like virtual reality headsets or some other kind of tech that I can sit back and look at and go, wow, that's awesome, I want that in my house. That's kind of my goal, I guess. I'm not super interested in really big stuff or really small stuff, so hopefully I can find something in the middle.
Hey everyone, my name is Henry. I'm a senior in OSU. I'm studying electrical and computer engineering. I'm expecting to graduate in the following June 2022. I'm currently focusing on power electronic and integral circuit. I'm interested in ECE because I'm creative and have a lot of crazy ideas. And I like math, and I feel like human is going to use a lot of electricity in the future. For example, the electricity car right now, or the big company Tesla. And using electricity is also saving the environment. I'm looking forward to get a job after graduation. I want to get a job in some power electricity company or some integral circuit design company. Intel is also one of my dream company. Thank you everyone.
Alright, so for our next step for next week, we'll first be looking at the high-level block design. So that will be the basic system. So right now we have the NVIDIA Jackson system and also the interface with the optical interface system, which will be separate interface. And then we're going to research into this design, so looking through in the NVIDIA Jackson, what other blocks we'll need for Jackson and what other blocks we'll need for the interface. And then we'll be looking at the lower level design. So the low-level block design, which is the smaller blocks inside the high-level blocks that each person will be assigned to, and we're looking at about 8 of those. Then finally, we'll be assigning blocks to people according to their interests and their skills. That's our plan for next week.